Hello everyone, how to insert row in Excel. So let's start step by step. First select the entire row. Just click on the row number to select the entire row. Then right click on the number and click on the insert. Here the row is added. And the second way, select any cell in this row and right click on the mouse and click on the insert, and here you can see the small dialog box is open, insert. Then select the entire row and click on OK, and here the row added. And the third way, select the any cell in this row and press the shortcut key Ctrl Shift plus, and again the same dialog box is open, insert and click on the entire row and click on OK. Here the row is added. And the fourth way, select the cell, go to the home tab. In cells group, click on the insert, and here click on the insert sheet rows, and that's it. Here the row added. If you want to add multiple row, then select the same number of row. So here I'm going to add 6 row. So I select the 6 row. Okay. After that, right click on the mouse and click on the insert, and that's it. Here you can see the selected row is added. So this is the way you can insert row in Excel. Hope you understood. Please subscribe. Thank you.